Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest interactive brokers. Easy method. Log into your account and fund it first, then choose cash or margin and set your base currency. Next, adjust the platform layout to show watch lists, orders, and account balances. Use simple order types like market and limit to enter trades and enable notifications for fills. Review fees for each trade and use the paper trading tool to practice before committing real funds. Choose a primary investment type and stick to straightforward criteria like dividend yield, expense ratio, or earnings growth. Use ETFs for broad exposure and single stocks when you have conviction based on research. For options, start with simple strategies like covered calls or cash-secured puts to generate income. Keep position sizes consistent and cap any single holding to a small percentage of your portfolio for risk control. Rebalance periodically and track performance. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful walkthroughs for you. Quick recommendation. I use these leak-proof containers bento box to keep snacks and lunches tidy during long trading sessions, which saves me time and keeps focus. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to grab them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Understand which order types match your intent. Market for quick fills, limit to control price, and stop orders to manage losses. Size every trade relative to your account so no single position threatens your plan. Keep margin usage conservative and review maintenance requirements to prevent margin calls. Check commissions and exchange fees per trade, and consider tax implications like Form 1099, reporting when you harvest gains or losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.